Nature's playground. If the foot of the trees were not tied to the earth, they would be pursuing me, for I have blossomed so much. I am the envy of the gardens. Rumi. Golf, often regarded as a sport of precision and skill, offers enthusiasts a unique opportunity to connect with nature while enjoying the game. Beyond the well-manicured fairways and ideally treated greens lies a captivating world teeming with natural beauty and sensory delights. Today I will narrate the immersive experience of a round of golf, where the morning breeze carries the fragrance of ferns, grasses, shrubs, and trees, and the sun shines gloriously, transforming the game into an enchanting journey through nature. As the first rays of sunlight kiss the dew-drenched grass, the morning breeze whispers through the lush surroundings of the golf course. Laden with refreshing flora scents, it becomes an olfactory symphony that greets golfers with every swing. Each breath in this natural sanctuary invigorates the senses, providing a serene and pleasant backdrop to the game. While traffic may be regular on the fairways, the harmony between human recreation and nature is palpable. Surrounded by meticulously landscaped greens, golfers find themselves in the heart of a living tapestry. The carefully maintained turf underfoot offers a cushioned, springy surface that enhances each stride, inviting players to immerse themselves fully in the experience. As golfers navigate the course, they see a vibrant panorama of colors. The verdant green of the fairways contrasts with the deep hues of the surrounding foliage, creating mesmerizing arras. The carefully positioned shrubs and trees create pockets of shade and highlight breathtaking vistas, making each hole a visually memorable encounter. The soundtrack of a round of golf extends beyond the thwack of clubs and the satisfying thud of the ball sinking into the cup. Throughout the course, the air is filled with the melodic songs of birds perched in the branches above. Their harmonious tunes provide a natural soundtrack that elevates the overall experience, reminding players that they are guests in a shared habitat. Besides the aesthetic appeal and sensory delights, nature also presents unique challenges for golfers. Strategically placed bunkers, undulating fairways, and water hazards are not only obstacles to overcome but also elements that remind players of the dynamic relationship between the game and the environment. The natural features of the course force golfers to adapt their strategies, encouraging a deeper connection with the landscape. Golf, with its inherent connection to nature, offers a space for mindfulness and well-being. The tranquility of the surroundings and the rhythmic flow of the game allows players to find respite from the demands of everyday life. Whether it's a solo round or a social gathering, the golf course becomes a sanctuary where we can rejuvenate our mind, body, and spirit. Won't you come into the garden? I want my roses to see you. Richard Brinsley Sheridan. A round of golf transcends the boundaries of a mere sport. It becomes a captivating experience that captivates the senses, offers glimpses of natural beauty, and invites us to forge a deeper connection with our surroundings. From the morning breeze filled with fragrances to the vibrant colors that paint the scenery, every element converges to create a golfing experience that is more than just a game. So, the next time we step onto the fairways, take a moment to appreciate the natural symphony surrounding us and embrace the profound beauty of a round of golf. That should also lead all of us to be more grateful and humble. We are lucky to have the time and resources to enjoy these beautiful moments. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. Rumi.